Ever been stuck at the checkout, fumbling for your wallet, only to realize you've left your physical cards at home? We've all been there, right? In today's increasingly digital world, mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay have become lifesavers. They're quick, convenient, and secure, letting you pay with just a tap of your phone or smartwatch. But what if your bank doesn't support them? That's the question we're tackling today, specifically focusing on Starling Bank. Does Starling Bank support Apple Pay and Google Pay? That's the burning question we're answering in this video. Before we dive into Starling specifically, let's quickly recap why mobile payments are so popular. Think about it. You're out for a run, grab a coffee, and boom, you can pay with your watch. You're doing your weekly grocery shop and your hands are full? No problem, just tap your phone on the reader. These contactless payment methods offer a level of convenience that traditional cards simply can't match. And beyond convenience, there's the security aspect. Apple Pay and Google Pay use tokenization, which means your actual card details aren't shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique token is generated for each transaction, adding an extra layer of protection against fraud. Now, let's talk about Starling Bank. For those who aren't familiar, Starling is a digital-only bank based in the UK. They've gained a reputation for their innovative approach to banking, offering a range of features through their mobile app. They are known for their user-friendly interface and focus on providing a seamless banking experience. So, given their digital focus, it would make sense that they'd be on board with mobile payments, wouldn't it? Well, the short answer is yes. Starling Bank does support both Apple Pay and Google Pay. This means if you're a Starling customer, you can easily add your debit card or personal current account to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet and start making contactless payments with your Apple or Android devices. But how do you actually set it up? It's a pretty straightforward process. For Apple Pay, you'll generally open your wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need to verify your card details, which Starling will handle securely. The process is very similar for Google Pay. You open the Google Wallet app, tap the Add to Wallet button, and follow the prompts. Again, you'll need to verify your Starling card. The whole process usually takes just a few minutes, and once it's done, you're ready to go. Now, you might be thinking, okay, they support Apple Pay and Google Pay, but what about other mobile payment options? That's a great question. While Apple Pay and Google Pay are the most widely used, there are other services available. Currently, Starling primarily focuses on these two main players, which cover the vast majority of smartphone users. Let's also touch on some of the benefits of using Apple Pay or Google Pay with your Starling account. Firstly, there's the speed. Transactions are incredibly fast, often taking just a second or two. This is particularly useful in busy environments like supermarkets or coffee shops. Secondly, there's the enhanced security we mentioned earlier. Tokenization helps protect your card details, giving you peace of mind. And finally, there's the convenience factor. Having your payment methods readily available on your phone or watch eliminates the need to carry physical cards. Now, are there any potential downsides? Well, not really from Starling's side. The main limitations are generally related to the acceptance of contactless payments themselves. While contactless is widely accepted in many countries, there are still some smaller businesses or older payment terminals that might not support it. However, this is becoming less and less common as technology advances. Another point to consider is battery life. Obviously, if your phone or watch battery dies, you won't be able to make mobile payments. But this is a general limitation of using any mobile device, not specific to Starling or mobile payments. Let's reiterate the key takeaway. If you're a Starling Bank customer, you can absolutely use Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's a simple, secure, and convenient way to make payments. This integration is a testament to Starling's commitment to providing a modern and user-friendly banking experience. They understand the importance of mobile payments in today's world, and they've made sure their customers can easily take advantage of these technologies. We've covered a lot in this video, from the general benefits of mobile payments to the specific integration with Starling Bank. We've looked at how to set it up, the advantages of using it, and some minor potential limitations. Hopefully, this has cleared up any questions you had about Starling's support for Apple Pay and Google Pay. One thing worth mentioning is that Starling are continually updating their app and services, so it's always worth checking their official website or app for the latest information. This video is accurate as of today's date, but things can change in the world of fintech. So, to definitively answer the original question, yes, Starling Bank fully supports both Apple Pay and Google Pay. This means you can enjoy all the benefits of mobile payments with your Starling account. It's a fast, secure, and convenient way to pay, and it's just one of the many features that make Starling a popular choice for digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.